Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to perform addition, subtraction and multiplication of vectors in scientific calculator. Just follow the simple steps. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So let's start. So the first thing you need to do is you need to activate the vector calculate mode. For that, go to menu, scroll around and look for the vector mode. You can see the vector mode is defined on number 5. Hit the 5 number or equal and your mode will be activated. Now you need to define the vector. We are going with the first vector A, 3 dimension. Define the vector. You can take any, I'm going with any example. I'm taking I as 9, 10 as J and 11 as K. Similarly, define the other vector. Go to options, then define vector, go to vector B, then similarly define the other vector. Once both the vectors are defined, now we can perform the operations. Go to options, then scroll down, just select the vector A plus options. Now go to vector B, that is 4. This is how you can perform the addition of vectors. Similarly, you can perform the subtraction and even multiplication or cross product of vectors in the similar manner. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification for future updates. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.